Today we're reviewing the Tozo NC3 hybrid noise cancelling IPX8 rated earbuds from the company Tozo. In no way or form have they told me to say anything about the AirPods, but they want you to know what I feel and think about the product to you so you can make a decision for yourself. This is not a paid product. It is a paid product because they did give it to us for reviewing, and that's what not many people tell you. So what we're going to do is give you our open and honest review of the earbuds over time. This came in a box. I need to open it up for the first time. And the advertisement of the box shows you exactly what you get. The product, nice detail and all. As we open it out of the case, you have your instruction papers, a warranty card, and how to operate the NC3, and a number of guides. We get a cable, a charging cable, USB-C, under 1 meter long, about 6 inches. Underneath that, we have here an accessory package that we're opening up. Small, medium, and large, and a number of ear pieces. There are 3 sizes and 2 sizes of a different type. Grabbing the earpiece out from the little sleeve that opens up, it resembles some other products that nicely protect. And in order to take it off, you pull each of the sides off. I love how everything today is always black on black, white on white, whatever color on color. You have a nice medium-sized window, opens up, and your AirPods are protected for the first time of use that needs to take off the actual plastic. Once you remove this plastic and put it into the case, it should charge. So you simply drop it in, fit it into place, and there it is charging at 99% right-hand side. So let's do the same to the other side, the left one. It's a little hard for the first time to take out due to the sticker that's on there. It came out real easy. Pull the sticker off and let charge. Left and right, 99% in a little. I like how the display is in a little dotted area, soft white. Magnetic case close. USB-C on the bottom, so you could charge up the unit with your own power bank, personal brick as an option. So here I am charging at 96%, as you can see, right? Now, this unit is not waterproof at all. What's waterproof is up to 30 minutes and over 4 hours of IPX8 waterproofness are the AirPods. These are the waterproof. This is the left one. I'm going to put it in my ear and show you how nice and easy they are to get in there. It's in. That's it. The boxing, very nice. I don't see a cleaning brush to clean the little air pieces off. Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. That would be a nice touch for the NC3s. Very small, I could close my hand up. Now you could barely see it. Compared to other companies that don't have a indicator of an actual number percentage, Apple AirPods. And yeah, look how nice and small they are. Almost as small, just a little bit bigger, but some are bigger. And they all have, you got it, a percentage of showing left and right. Apple AirPods don't. That is a good touch with Tozo. I'm going to have to go over the instructions, read it, see how I like it, how quickly these charge. And I have to set it up to my computer, my phone, and just go out and have fun using it. You're not going to be able to hear what I'm going to hear, so that's what I'm going to tell you. And then, I don't have to make a decision. You have to make a decision if these are going to be something that you are interested in. They make a number of models, the company. They make them flush to the ear, similar to the AirPods, and more. I grabbed my phone, and all I got to do is open up the case. I'm going to wait for it to charge. I don't see any pairing. And I love how the phone just recycles. So what I got to do is probably just take out the earpiece. There they are. Tozo NC3. Press on it. Connected just like that. Now these are touch sensitive, so when you touch things, you're able to make your phone calls, listen to your phone calls, and listen to your favorite music. And over 100 EQ settings they have on the product. This is playing through the AirPods. I find it just a little difficult at first as I try to learn how these go in. Always use the stem to the outside, and when placed into the cover, it basically goes back to your phone system. Now, I apologize if you don't hear any audio. So we're listening to a commercial. I pulled a piece out. And they connect within 5 seconds to the volume that you left off at. I hear a tone. I'm not sure what it is until I read the instruction guide. As you log press, it goes beep, 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 and it raises the volume of both. And this one lowers the volume, beep, 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 like so. It's all done by touch. It sounds nice. I don't love listening to music, but while I'm putting that in, I did hear a beep on this side, and I'm not sure what it did. So I close up, and it's playing a song, Bruce Springsteen. And you would think this would go back to the audio of the phone, and it didn't. I would have to play again, so basically it just shut down. Okay, so on the table we have here, we'll take an AirPod out and we simply do some cleaning. Just grab it and pull. Grab any old earpiece, fold back, and place on. Just take your time, nobody rushes people. And they do slip on, like so. It takes a try or two, and that's why I said take your time. Nice close-up shot, getting over it. It slides over the rim, the washer area, and on. And you have different sizes for different airs. Pull off, clean up with your own cloth. As you can see, it's got a little off shape to it. It's not particularly round. And that's why you may have a little difficulty getting these things on for your first time. Give it a little twist, give it a little pull, and we're good to go. This has a microphone, your wireless connection, 2 pins, your earpiece, and the company Tozo in a nice piano black and a flat finish black. Nobody loves reading instructions, but everything here, as you can see, is labeled. You have a QR symbol, pause your video, and feel free to download the information provided by the company. So I'll give you my feedback when I go out, but it may not be on video, but you get the idea of what I'm going to tell you about Tozo. I got a phone call. Yeah. All right. I'm testing out the Tozo NC3s. All right. Thank you. So I'm out here. I got the Tozo's NC3s and I got them nice and comfortable, and the noise canceling, listening to the music, and then tapping it to listen to the phone call. Very easy, like any other product on the market. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get on out of here and go back to the work test and sit by the table and continue to listen and monitor. I put everything back in its case so it's recharging, and I'm ready to go again when I need it to be. So here I am, and I want to connect my NC3. I open up the case, pull out the earpiece, and I just go into my Wi-Fi Bluetooth area and follow the instructions, and I look for the mic when it becomes available. So I listen to my phone and my application, then the computer, and I'm able to do my work, and that's it. Nothing you could worry about, where certain Bluetooth devices work for computers. Well, I guess the NC3s, they don't work for everything, but they do a great job for your smartphones. Well, I'm at 82% today, and these things recharge multiple amounts of times without any issues. All these work, and if the water hits it, it may raise and lower the volume. I don't know. Yeah, it lowers the volume. Woo, yeah, they do a great job. I have my AirPods. I've been using it for a number of times. I like the way I can open up the case, place it on the table, not like some others can do so. I didn't know they had an application known as Tozo Technology Surrounds You. Sign up, register, follow the instructions. We all know how to do that. It's going to ask you for notifications. Did you read the terms? Did you sign in and register? You don't have to register, believe it or not. You can skip it. Tozo would like to use your Bluetooth. Did you know on the back of the unit there is a force pair button right here? It's black on black, real smooth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow this to pair again to my phone. I deleted everything off just to show you that we're allowing the pair. It's telling us to go into our Bluetooth. So I'm going to have to go to pairing, Tozo NC3, connected, close down my application and open up Tozo again and exit out of it. I'm in Add Device. Simply add a device. You tap on Add Device, not the plus. Tap on below. It should be the whole thing. It's going to look for the Bluetooth. It may give me a little trouble. This may not be on. I'm not sure. It takes a couple of seconds to do because I am mirroring my phone, and that may be the issue. So there we are. Tozo NC3. Let's connect. And there we are, all connected. Just click on the guides, get rid of them. Now, I'm going to put my AirPods in. They're very easy to go in. I like the idea that we have a couple of things in here. Ambient. Rate it later. I go to home, because it wants AI to be recognized first. And here we are with the left and the right, and I want transparency mode. It takes a couple of seconds for transparency so I could hear the natural sounds as I talk. I slightly hear a reverb. That's just me. I got a gear, a cog, low latency, touch control, OTA upgrade, so forth. If I want to do noise canceling, I hit noise canceling, and that cancels out transparency. If I'm outside and want to reduce wind noise or leisure mode, normal mode, I tried these out and they are awesome. In order to get to all the advanced stuff, you gotta be with the app. Tozo NC3 shows you all the products that they got. They have a community in case you need to talk to people, follow. Artificial intelligence. I could communicate with somebody from the other country and I could say to them, and I could listen and hear them translate through AI where today is going. Now, if I want to listen to relaxing mood music, I have it here. As you can see, there are a whole bunch of them there to pick, relax, hypnotic, and so forth. My Tozo, I can log in, see how many people liked, followed, followers, make posts, the EQ collection, need to log in, my audit, my activity, customer service, about, and settings. Once I shut down the application, close it down, I still got the ambient noise. So these things are always on. I heard the click of my phone. They're always on to that. Tozo NC3. I can't do that with AirPods at all. I don't have an application to do all these EQ settings, everything in there. I apologize if I can't show you everything. But in here, Tozo, go to the home, go to the EQ, which is on the top. This is where I was at. I go to the EQ and I could do different things, more sound effects. I could drag things up, make it to my liking, have different types of settings, and I could trash it, log in. Always got to log in. I hope that these AirPods, I don't love talking with AirPods. I find it a little difficult to put these in, just a little difficult. Hard to see, but they go in. They don't just drop in. They do drop in. I just had a little trouble dropping them in. Let me see if I can shake it in there. Oh, don't want to drop them. They will not break if you drop them. You simply just follow the area and they slide right in. Close it up. Small enough to fit in your pocket. Check out Tozo. Tozo NC3, very compact. With this, you got gesture taps. Tap it once to raise the volume by holding it. Double tap it, triple tap it. More information on that is in the manual. I can't go over every single detail because this would be a long video. The Tozo NC3, I hope you enjoy yours as much as I enjoy mine. That was given to me from the company of Tozo to share to you to express how I feel. In no way or form has they told me what to say or seen the video, but they will come back and watch the video and maybe make a comment. And if you're interested, check the description link below for your Tozo products. And there's a discount for all the members, anybody that checks in. Thank you very much for your time, and hope you enjoy your Tozo NC3.